Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. The holidays are just around the corner, and if you're anything like me, you love adding a personal, handmade touch to your decor. But let's be real, who has endless hours to spend on complicated projects? Today, I'm going to show you 3 gorgeous and festive holiday crafts that you can easily make in under an hour. That's right, less than 60 minutes to create something beautiful. So, grab a hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's get crafting. First up, we're making these adorable cinnamon stick star ornaments. All you need are 5 cinnamon sticks of roughly the same length, a hot glue gun, and some twine or ribbon. Simply arrange the sticks in a star shape, overlapping the ends. A small dab of hot glue at each point where the sticks cross is all it takes. Once the glue is dry, tie a loop of twine to one of the points, and voila! You have a rustic, fragrant ornament that looks and smells incredible on your tree. This one seriously takes about 5 minutes. Next, let's create a chic and minimalist mini wreath, perfect for hanging on cabinets, doors, or even using as a gift topper. You'll need a small embroidery hoop, some fresh or faux eucalyptus or pine sprigs, floral wire, and a festive ribbon. Separate the embroidery hoop and use just the inner ring. Take a few of your greenery sprigs and arrange them around one side of the hoop. Use small pieces of floral wire to secure them tightly. You can cover about a third or half of the hoop for a modern, asymmetrical look. Finish it off with a beautiful velvet or satin ribbon tied in a bow at the bottom. It's elegant, simple, and takes less than 20 minutes to assemble. For our final under an hour project, we're making these sparkling pinnacone place card holders, perfect for your holiday dinner table. Go on a little nature walk and gather some pine cones, or just grab a bag from the craft store. You'll also need some white craft paint, glitter, and small cardstock rectangles for the names. Lightly brush the tips of the pinnacone scales with white paint to mimic a snowy look. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle on some silver or iridescent glitter for a magical sparkle. Let them dry, which only takes a few minutes. Once they're ready, simply tuck a name card into the top scales of the pinnacone. It's a charming and personal touch for your holiday gathering. And there you have it. 3 super easy, fast, and beautiful holiday crafts that anyone can make. I hope this inspired you to get creative this season without feeling overwhelmed. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun ideas. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!